Hello, everyone. Today we will be discussing the life and work of Terence McKenna, one of the most influential thinkers of the 20th century. Born in Colorado in 1946, McKenna was a maverick ethnobotanist and psychedelic philosopher who spent much of his life exploring the outer reaches of human consciousness. He is best known for his groundbreaking research into the use of psychedelic plants and fungi, particularly psilocybin mushrooms, and his advocacy for the responsible use of these substances as a means of expanding our understanding of ourselves and the universe. McKenna's work is rooted in his belief that psychedelics have the potential to unlock the deepest mysteries of the human mind and the universe itself. He believed that by ingesting these substances, we could tap into a higher level of consciousness, which he referred to as the transcendental object at the end of time. He believed that this experience could lead to a greater understanding of the nature of reality and the interconnectedness of all things. McKenna was also a gifted speaker and writer, and his lectures and books have inspired countless individuals around the world. He was known for his eloquent and poetic descriptions of the psychedelic experience and his ability to articulate complex ideas in a way that was accessible to a wide audience. Some of McKenna's most famous works include The Invisible Landscape, co-authored with his brother Dennis, and Food of the Gods, which explores the role of psychoactive plants in human evolution. He was also a prolific speaker, and recordings of his lectures and interviews continue to inspire new generations of thinkers and seekers. Sadly, McKenna passed away in 2000 at the age of 53, but his legacy continues to inspire people around the world. His work has had a profound impact on the field of psychedelic studies, and his advocacy for responsible and intentional use of these substances has helped to shape the modern psychedelic movement. In conclusion, Terence McKenna was a visionary thinker whose work has had a profound impact on our understanding of the human mind and the universe. His legacy continues to inspire new generations of thinkers and seekers, and his advocacy for the responsible use of psychedelics has helped to shape the modern psychedelic movement. Thank you for listening.